In today's video, we are going to be talking about frequency separation, but do well to watch this video to the end because there is something special for you at the end of this video. So what is frequency separation? Frequency separation to us is a means of separating our color from our texture so we can work on them separately. So in your texture layout, you can only work on your texture. That's why when you look at it, you have high texture on it, but you don't have any color. It's just like a black and white grayish layout where there is nothing special happening there. Then in your blur layout, in your color layout, you just see a blur based on the amount of radius you add. Now, even the amount of radius you add, a lot of persons do not know how to add the radius. So you're adding your radius based on how much texture you want to keep on your texture layout. Because if you're doing the frequency separation setting manually, you go to a place where you have to apply image, you understand? So when you're applying, you are now subtracting this amount of texture from the color during the process of you making the blur image. So if you add if your blur is around radius 3 or radius 5, according to the way your image is blurred, that is the amount of texture that has been extracted from that color. So if you put 2, you still have a lot of texture, you're still seeing a lot of texture in your blur. That means that amount of texture is not in your texture layout. It has been removed. It's something that you decided that you want to keep, so it will just stay there for you. It will not be removed. So when you start brushing your color layout, you start brushing all those things away. You are trying to tell your brush that all these things that I'm seeing, I want them all to be blended together. So it's very, very easy. Just understand that your texture layout carries your texture and your color layout carries your color. So the two separation is just there so that, like as you see in my face now, my forehead is shiny. You can just fix it, maybe touch it very well to just balance up the light and everything in the image to bring out the final look that you see. So when you turn on your texture, you end up seeing your texture, the amount of texture that you have extracted, you see it there. So you can now use a clone stamp or whatever brush you like to now take away every pimple or every pores that you see in your face that you don't like, because you still have them there. This is just a little explanation. If I want to make a longer video, I'll be able to explain more on frequency separation. So I have a lens here. I have this Yongnuo lens that I want to give out. It's a 35mm Yongnuo lens. Just tell me the camera you use and the kind of accessories you have and why I should give this lens. So it's a very nice lens, a wide angle lens, and it works for both full frame and crop sensor. But just give me a reason why I should give it to you. No need to make a video, just comment under this video, tell me why I should give it to you, then I'll give it to you. Once again, my name remains Geetee and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.